Instagram's new edit app is here to take on CapCut, but can it really steal the crown from the king of mobile video editing? We'll show you what edits brings to the table, how it stacks up, and if it's worth your time in 2025. Let's dive in. What's good, creators? Welcome to GadInsider. Today we're breaking down Instagram's brand new Edits app, a video editing tool launched to rival CapCut. With CapCut facing bans and restrictions, Edits is stepping up with AI tools, green screen effects, and more. But is it a game changer or just a CapCut clone? Let's explore the features, compare them, and find out who it's for. First up, what does Edits offer? Launched in April 2025, Edits is a free app for iOS and Android designed for mobile creators. It's packed with a high-quality camera for 1080p or 2K video at 60 frames per second, AI-powered tools like animating static images, and precise editing with frame-by-frame trimming. You get green screen effects, video overlays, auto captions, and noise reduction. Plus, a unique inspiration tab shows trending audio and ideas, and a live insights dashboard tracks your reel's performance. Oh, and no watermarks on exports. Take that, CapCut. Now let's talk CapCut. Been the go-to for millions since 2020, with templates, transitions, and AI effects that make slick videos fast. CapCut's strength is in its versatility. It works for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels, and even has a desktop app for pro-level edits. Features like background removal and advanced audio syncing are top-notch, but some features, like captions and noise reduction, now require a paid pro plan, and its US availability is shaky due to ByteDance bans. Still, it's a powerhouse for quick template-driven content. So how do they compare? Edits shines with Instagram integration. Post Reels directly and get real-time analytics. Its AI tools like Animate for images and Cutouts for isolating subjects are creator-focused, but it lacks CapCut's vast template library. CapCut's better for beginners or cross-platform creators with more effects and a smoother learning curve. Edits feels more polished for Instagram loyalists, but it's mobile-only, while CapCut's desktop option gives it an edge for complex projects. Watermark-free exports gives Edits a slight win, but CapCut's template-driven flow is hard to beat. Who should use Edits now? If you're deep in the Instagram ecosystem, making Reels of stories, Edits is your jam. Its seamless integration, analytics, and watermark-free exports make it ideal for influencers and businesses focused on IG. CapCut's better for creators posting across TikTok, YouTube, or needing quick template-based edits. If you're a pro with desktop setup, CapCut's Windows app might tip the scales. Both are free to start, so your choice depends on your platform and editing style. Here's the deal. Edits launched at a perfect time, with CapCut's US future uncertain due to TikTok drama. Instagram's betting on creators needing a reliable, integrated tool, and Edits AI and analytics show they're serious. But CapCut's massive user base and template-driven ease won't fade easily. It's 2025. It's a creator's market. More tools mean more power to make standout content. Try both and see which fits your vibe. Alright, creators, Edits is a bold move by Instagram with slick AI tools and Instagram-first features. But CapCut is still king for versatility and ease. If you're team Instagram, Edits is worth a shot. If you're multi-platform, CapCut's probably your go-to. Either way, 2025 is all about creating epic content. So pick the tool that sparks your creativity. If this breakdown helped, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more creator tips. Comment below. Are you trying Edits, sticking with CapCut, or both?